Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a creamy mushroom stuffed chicken thighs with mozzarella cheese using stovetop stuffing. This one's at the top. It's one of my favorite chicken recipe dish I've created so far. And I want to share this amazing recipe with you all. So if you're ready for this, let's get started. Okay, and here are the ingredients I'm using for this recipe. You'll see it all laid out here. I'm going to be using 4 large boneless chicken thighs. And can't forget, I'll be including the amazing stovetop stuffing mix. I'll be using the traditional sage flavor, but you can use any flavor you like. And I got it for $1 on clearance, so I scored there. And of course, baby bella mushrooms. Ingredients will be listed in the description box. So we'll get started making the stovetop stuffing first, using 1.5 cup water and 1/4 cup butter to a boil. You can also refer to the directions and amount to use on your stuffing box. Okay, now that our stuffing looks ready, we'll move on to making the mushrooms. We're just gonna cut and slice these up into smaller little pieces. Okay, we can place the cut mushrooms in a bowl and then set this aside for now. Okay, next we're gonna prep and then cook our chicken. So we'll lay out the 4 pieces of thighs. And if you want, you can cut off any excess fat. We're gonna pound and flatten our chicken thighs a little more, so I'm using a saran wrap. With a saran wrap, you'll want to double the size of the cutting board and place your chicken thighs right over. And then cover the chicken with the excess length of the saran wrap. And now you can use a meat pounder tool to flatten the chicken thighs down a bit. Okay, you can remove the saran wrap cover. And now we're going to season the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And press and massage the seasoning right into the chicken. Okay, you can flip the chicken over and we'll do the same on the other side. Now we're ready to cook the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to place 2 chicken thighs in at a time since my pan only fits 2. And you want to keep an eye on the chicken and just cook until we get a golden brown color and making sure the meat is cooked on the inside. You can use a cooking thermometer and making sure the temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the meat. You can also check the juice of the chicken is running clear and not a pinkish color. Okay, so this one looks ready, and I'm gonna leave this one in for a little longer. This one needs a little more cooking since it's a little thicker. Now I'm ready to put in the next 2 chicken thighs to cook. Okay, and this smaller piece looks about ready. I'm gonna take this one out, and I'm gonna leave this larger one in a little longer because it's a little larger and thicker. It needs a little more cooking time. And it's okay if the chicken is slowly starting to break up a little. I kept checking on the inside of the meat if it was still cooked, because I saw some areas on the inside of the chicken that was still slightly raw. So I want to make sure this is fully cooked. Now this looks ready, and I'll put this aside. Okay, now next we can start cooking the mushrooms. In the same pan, we'll add about a tablespoon of butter. And once it's melting, we can start adding the mushrooms in. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of butter because I see the mushrooms are still dry and soaked up the butter I had in there. And now we'll keep mixing this around and let it marinate the butter. Okay, now once our mushrooms start looking like this, we can turn off the heat and just put this aside. Okay, now we're ready to stuff the chicken. We'll get back to our 4 chicken thighs and place our cooked stuffing right on the top. Just like that. And we'll do that to all 4 chicken. And with your hands, you can press the stuffing down tight onto the chicken so it stays in place. And now you'll want to add the mushrooms over that. Again on each chicken thigh. Okay, make sure you don't use all the mushrooms you have. You want to keep some for the sauce we're going to make next. And that right there looks pretty good. And this is what I have left of mushrooms. We'll put the pan back on medium-high heat, and we're going to add our cream of mushroom in next. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And a tablespoon of better than bouillon for a roasted chicken flavor. And we'll stir this up. Okay, we'll want to get the sauce looking nice, thick, and creamy like this. And we're done with the sauce. Now we'll place the chicken back into this pan. You'll want to place the chicken in very delicately because you don't want the toppings to fall off. Yep, just place them just like that, just over the cream of mushroom. And now we're going to top this off with some mozzarella shredded cheese. And we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, the creamy mushroom stuffed chicken thighs with mozzarella cheese. This one is so yummy. It's definitely a must try. This will go really well over rice. This one's a winner in my book. Take another bite, add more stuffing, cheese, chicken stuffing, mushroom. Give this a 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hope you guys try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. This is so good.